Hello and welcome to postpickle.com. You're watching Footprints, your insane guide to tapping the nicest of places, finding the best of food, and lazing in the quaintest of accommodations. Basically, your ready-made itinerary. This time we leave footprints up north in the mountains for you to explore the hills like never before. We started off from the nation's most well-planned and beautiful city, Chandigarh, for Shimla in a Zoom car. Reason being, mountains में drive की feel ही अलग है भाई. Other than Zoom car, you can also go for Let Me Drive or maybe hire a cab from the local taxi services. Zoom car charged us rupees 23,000 for our 6-day trip. It took us around 5 hours to reach Shimla क्योंकि mountains में मेरी मैगी की एक कहानी तो बनती है. Maggie stop is a must. Shimla, one of the most beautiful babies of Himachal, has steppe farming, drifting clouds, tiny and beautiful houses and romantic weather to offer. लेकिन शिमला का मौसम एक टिपिकल नखरे वाली गर्लफ्रेंड के मूड स्विंग्स जैसा है, अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. शिमला की सड़कें आर नैरो एंड कर्वी, तो गाड़ी और नजरें सिर्फ सड़क पे टिका के रखना बरखुरदार. शिमला का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है पार्किंग, और इस प्रॉब्लम का सबसे अनोखा सॉल्यूशन मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग स्पॉट्स, जहां आपकी गाड़ी 200 रुपए पर नाइट के रेट पर सेफ रहेगी. We booked rooms at Hotel Bridgeview Regency, जहां पहुंचने के लिए आपको टूरिस्ट एलिवेटर्स का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा, which operate from 9 AM to 8 PM. होटल Bridgeview Regency का लोकेशन, वहां से शिमला का व्यू, होटल रूम्स और वहां का खाना, भाई it is a very affordable package. शिमला में चल छैया छिया वाली फीलिंग लेनी हो तो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस टू टेक द कालका शिमला टॉय ट्रेन फॉर इट्स breathtaking views. Tunnel after tunnel breaking through the fog. It's a beautiful experience क्योंकि the train moves at a slow pace, which is amazing in such a landscape. The town is dotted with numerous dhabas along the main road, and we had a belly-bursting lunch at Milab Dhaba near Town Hall. हम थे 3, खाना खाया जैसे एक full royal tiffin, बिल हुआ 600, which is equal to nothing. Further north of the town is the Jhaku Temple, the tallest statue of Lord Hanuman in the world. Yes, you heard me right. A 108 feet high idol at the highest peak of Shimla is a tourist spot not to be missed. Do not, I repeat, do not mess with the Vanar Sena here. They are a mischievous lot and they'll snatch anything they want from you like a boss. शिमला का फेमस फिल्मी एंड द ऑफिशियल टूरिस्ट स्पॉट, वेलकम टू मॉल रोड. यहाँ 4 व्हीलर्स बैंड है, लेकिन आपको यहाँ शॉपिंग करने में उतना मजा नहीं आएगा जितना बार्गेन करने में आएगा. We left Shimla at 4:30 AM for beautiful McLeodganj to avoid traffic. We had to hire porters to carry our luggage as elevators resumed functioning at 9 AM. On the way, we saw this typical DDLJ landscape and the SRK fan in us just stood there with his arms wide open. पहाड़ों में ट्रैवल करने का सबसे बड़ा फायदा, पेट भर के टेस्टी खाना एंड बिल पे करते वक्त नो हार्ट अटैक. Chitrakoot Dhaba is the best place to stuff yourself with food while on your way to McLeodganj. Welcome to Dalai Lama's calm and quiet hometown, McLeodganj. We checked in at Villa Paradiso, a classic hotel in the mountains located very close to the Tibetan market. And that's precisely where the girls headed as soon as we stepped out. मैक्लोडगंज में यू हैव टू गो टू शिवा कैफे. इस जगह तक पहुंचने के लिए वी हैड टू ट्रेक आवर वे अप द माउंटेन. Just do the kilometer-long trek somehow, even if you're tired. I promise, Shiva Cafe पहुंचने के बाद वहां का ambience, food, music and above all the view will get the Babaji inside you going all gaga. Please carry cash क्योंकि वहां ऊपर ना ही ATM है, ना ही कोई आपका प्लास्टिक मनी एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए मशीन. Next morning, we woke up early as we had to leave for Beer Billing, which is 80 kilometers from McLeodganj. And on the way, we had to cross a zillion crowded small towns. You shall also cross the Dharamshala Cricket Stadium, which is one of the best venues in the world for the sport. We were lucky as the Mausam behaved decently when we reached Beer Billing for paragliding. And by the way, it is the world's second highest and Asia's best paragliding site we're talking about. The takeoff point is at a height of 2,400 meters above sea level. Plus, it's not expensive. Not for an experience like this for sure. Aadhe ghante tak you get to be high. I mean high up in the sky. 360-degree spins, spectacular view of the Himalayas, a selfie stick with the latest GoPro camera in your hand and on your head. यहाँ बनेगी एक perfect selfie. Welcome to Colonel's Resort, the most peaceful yet luxurious option to stay at with your family or friends. Huge bedrooms, wonderful location, and the food and services are extraordinary. You can do a number of activities here. My favorite, go fetch. Colonel Saab's son Vikramaditya took us to the Whistling Pines, a trek amongst the fabled forests. One can spend an entire day here. But soon, nature reminded us where we were, and it rained not cats and dogs, but also lions and wolves. Bhago! Keep calm and continue trekking, and you shall find peace at the Sherabling Monastery. The idol is of the future Buddha, Maitreya. His seating position, one leg crossed and another on the floor, signifies his time of uprising is near. Savior, teacher, guiding light cometh. And this is where with a heavy heart we say goodbye McLeodganj. Hello mountains, taller, whiter, colder mountains. We allowed ourselves to embrace some luxury in Dalhousie and stayed at the Grandview Hotel. Plush wooden structure with classy interiors and a huge restaurant with super tasty food. Dalhousie se thodi dur is Khajiar. It is popularly known as mini Switzerland of India. The 40-minute drive is crazy beautiful. We're now amongst the snow-capped mountains that we had been seeing from a distance for the last 3 days. En route to Khajiar is the Kala Top Wildlife Sanctuary and the gate to Pir Panjal Valley. Horse riding, zorbing, cricket और Khajiar का खाना are simply mesmerizing but a very important tip. Please take care while you're going all out of control with excitement doing these activities, because if you end up hurting yourself, let us tell you, expecting a doctor here would be asking too much from life because no hospital or clinic around. One of our crew members injured his shoulder and this is how he got treated. On the day where we had seen it all, we finally went back to the hotel for a karaoke session and a sumptuous dinner. Dalhousie ko kiya alvida and we left for Amritsar agli subah. Be careful while descending down the mountains. The road is nice and you would want to drive fast. Ghar Aaja Pardesi wali feeling where green fields, aloo parathas everywhere. Welcome to Sada Punjab oye. Jo bole Sonial Sat Sri Akal. Don't forget to stop by the nearest checkpost and pay Punjab RTO tax for your vehicle, which is around Rs 250 per day. We touched Amritsar around lunchtime and headed for Atari, which by the way is the India-Pakistan border. We missed the evening ceremony at Wagah border, which is supposed to be a splendid experience with all those patriotic songs playing at insane decibels, and the pride you feel is immense. Make sure you reach Wagah by 2 p.m. to get the best seats in the open stadium where the ceremony takes place. Disappointed and hungry, we came back to Amritsar and checked in at the City Park Hotel, which is walking distance from the Golden Temple. But पहले पेट पूजा और फिर काम दूजा. And what better place to satiate our hunger pangs than the century-old Kesar da Dabba? भाई, इस जगह पर पेट भर के पंजाबी खाना पेलना तो बनता ही है. The best way to explore the local market is by traveling in these battery-powered rickshaws. And finally, it's time to get blessed at Sri Harmandir Sahib, famously known as Golden Temple. There are no words to describe this place. The peace that you feel as soon as you enter the giant gate cannot be explained. A sudden surge of positive energy. You don't feel like clicking pictures, you don't even feel like talking. You just stare at the beauty of this holy ground and just take it all in, take it all in. Do stay back till 9:30 p.m., which is when they take Guru Granth Sahib Ji in a palki for the night. It's a sight to behold, and if you're lucky, you too may touch it and even volunteer to carry it. As everyone knows this, no one walks out of the Golden Temple hungry, and the food never runs out or gets wasted here. We strongly suggest, please do not leave without eating the langar. अगले दिन सुबह एक बार फिर गोल्डन टेम्पल में मत्था टेकना तो मानो जैसे स्वर्ग को सीने से लगाने जैसा है. All that gold and white makes it look stunning in the daylight. Serene, mesmerizing and truly enchanting. Golden Temple से बस थोड़ी दूर is Jallianwala Bagh, a place that shouts of British Raj in India, albeit a rather sad part of it. The Jallianwala Bagh is where back in April 1913, a British commander, General Dyer, ordered his company to open fire at peaceful protesters. Ladies, children, innocent lives lost. So much for one man's evil. गरम खून वालों के लिए जलियांवाला बाग बाहर से देखना ही ठीक होगा. With all the blessings sought, we left Amritsar for Chandigarh and the drive is amazing. So this was your ready-made itinerary for a road trip up north in the snow-capped mountains to the holiest place to seek blessings. See you soon with one more insane road trip where we tell you how to enjoy your vacation. Till then, keep following Footprints only on postpickle.com.